Hey, just a quick explanation of how to do the process that we went through today in class. So we want to be able to get our data from the videos into this spreadsheet. A spreadsheet is a way to create a table of values and then to turn that into a graph. So I'm going to go back to my lab and I'm going to grab my data. Now this purple data is made up data, doesn't really match the video, so don't use it. Okay, but what I'm going to do is I can type these numbers all in by hand, or I can click with my left finger right here, and then I can drag with my right and highlight all of these numbers. And my fingers are no longer on the keyboard, so it's highlighted like this. And now I'm going to move over and I'm going to click on Edit and Copy. And now I have those numbers, and now I'm going to switch over to the other document again. Now I'm going to just type or tap once in this rectangle right underneath where it says position for car 1. And now when I go to edit, I'll paste. And so my numbers have entered in there, and sort of magically, a graph has appeared as well. So I'll do the same thing a little bit more quickly here. So I'll go to my second page, again, grab my fake data, click once with my left hand and hold it, and drag with my right and let go. And then under edit, I will choose copy. Back to my graph. And now I'll go to this first box under position of car 2, edit, paste. Okay, and now I have a graph. To move this graph into my other document, I'm going to click once so that it's chosen. And then there's this hidden menu here, and I'm going to copy the chart. Okay, and then I'm going to go back to my lab, and I'm going to need to share it. I actually had already done this. Let me erase that quickly. So you're going to paste that now into this document, edit, paste. You can choose to link or not link. It doesn't really matter for our cases, okay? But it kind of covers up everything. I'm just gonna, again, use my 2 fingers, click and hold with my left and move with my right, and I'll put it kind of over here. If you want to change the size, you can grab the little squares on the end to get it to fit, or you could also fill up the whole screen if you wanted to. It does kind of get stretched out though. And then the rest of the assignment is for you to try to do the other parts of it. Try to make a motion diagram here and here, here and here. Okay, those are kind of tricky to do. Do your best with it. But then there are some questions on slide 4 and on slide 5.